Wadzi, there you are.
Yo, my sheep, love
My
you.
friend, my friend, I'm sorry I made you wait for me. I'm so
Ella,
sorry.
nothing, Habibi, Habibti. I heard you say कि मैं डर गई और मुझे लग रहा था शीबा और डर these two don't go together.
हाँ,
डरती कब हो
वो
आप किसी भी चीज
वो
से?
पर्सनालिटी ऐसी है कि मैं
No.
सबको बताना चाहती हूँ कि इस लाइफ के लिए हम दोनों कैसे बहुत अलग अलग तरीके से रेडी हो रहे थे। तो मैं बताना चाह रही थी सबको कि वर्दा और मेरा रेडी होने का तरीका आज बहुत अतरंगी था। मैंने वर्दा को फोन किया कि तुम रेडी हो? बोली हाँ, बस ट्रेडमिल पे हूँ, रेडी हो रही हूँ, भाग रही हूँ ताकि मेरा नेचुरल ग्लो आ जाए। और मैं उल्टा कैसे रेडी हो रही थी, मैं ध्यान में बैठी थी, साधना में मेडिटेट कर रही थी कि मैं थोड़ी शांत हो जाऊं, काम हो जाऊं। दो बहुत हाइपर एनर्जी साथ में मिलने जा रही हैं। मैं सबको ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि वर्दा बहुत सारे गुण हैं उसमें, जर्नलिज्म बैकग्राउंड से हैं। शी स्टार्टेड हर लाइफ एज अ जर्नलिस्ट and she went on to be an exemplary housewife, daughter-in-law, sister-in-law, sister, mother. she सर्वगुण संपन्न है इनमें। बहुत 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 प्यारी है, बहुत अच्छी
आकाश,
होस्टेस
I
है,
still love you.
एंड यारों की यार है। वर्दा
That
के
ho is
बारे
for
में
rooting me up for saying yes. ये सब झूठ
he
है.
just wants he just wants to disturb my life today. सो आई मैं सबको बताना चाहती हूँ कि वर्दा जो है यारों की यार है। अगर उसने
I
एक
love
बार
you.
आपको बोल दिया कि आप उसके दोस्त हो, आपके लिए वो जान निछावर कर देगी। आप सबको ये भी पता होगा कि वर्दा प्रोड्यूसर है और हाल ही में उनकी पिक्चर रिलीज हुई हाउसफुल।
Yes.
So Houseful is as madcap a film. Hi Divya. As madcap a film as she is. So I am
Yes.
going to ask her to pick up one funny or fun anecdote from the making of the entire movie. One single incident or outdoor or something that stands out in your memory.
From this particular film, Houseful 4,
Any
there are
film.
too many sheeps. There are too many. In fact, that train journey that we took, the
Okay.
Houseful Rail, it was so much fun. It was like one journey in my life that I'll never forget because we were awake all night. Considering all the actors, the timetable that they follow, sleeping on time and waking up on time. That evening was nobody followed any rules. We were playing dumb charades. We were interacting with the media, and basically,
I
yeah,
tend
it was
to feel
good.
at the back of my mind कि ये producer ही ये सब lead कर रही होगी because you have most of the pep and energy. Even in your own house, you're so peppy and energetic, and you want to do everything, and you want everybody to have fun, and you want to have fun along the way. So I'm sure
But Sheets,
you're
it's
that.
not easy. It's not easy to handle, because sometimes my sons, you know them both, Subhan and Sven, they're like, Mama, can you please stop it? Please, can you stop it? Dad, can you make a stop? Please, can you make a stop? So, yes, I think it's only my mother-in-law who enjoys all my mad stunts around in the house. But even Sajid, he's like, Vaj, it's 3 o'clock in the morning. I think you should really take it down one
Pipe down, relax हो
थोड़ा
जाओ थोड़ा सा।
relax beta, relax beta, relax, But I think it's only my mother-in-law who enjoys all this madness.
Because you are such a perfect daughter-in-law. Even she can't do without you, I know that.
No.
Your sister-in-law tells me in the even ये पूरे lockdown के दौरान, in your family chats and in the family interactions, you kept them all going. You would send them funny videos and
Yeah.
make up all these quizzes for the family to do. And
That was Sajid's. Yes, that was Sajid's idea. He's a family man. He's like everybody loves Sajid. Everybody loves Raymond. He's that.
Raymond.
Yeah,
हाँ.
so he's the Raymond of the family. Everybody loves him, and he loves everyone. So he's like, because we couldn't really catch up for all the major festivals, and he's very used to having the family over for dinner or lunches. So in a month, we at least meet up twice. तो सब हो रहा नहीं था, तो he came up with this idea. He used to sit, plan out quiz. So we used to have this quiz night every night, like all our relatives from US to London.
अरे बाप
So
रे.
we were, yeah, sub, and Sajid used to give away prizes also. So in between, yeah. So in between those, I used to get, अब हम लेते हैं एक छोटा सा break and अब आपके सामने आ रहा है 5,000 का सवाल आपकी फोन के स्क्रीन पे. So all those little things just.
बट ऑल्सो ये आप इनके सारे इनके हस्बैंड वाइफ के मैडनेसेस के बारे में तो सुन रहे हैं, लेकिन ऑल्सो आई नो फॉर अ फैक्ट कि वर्दा बहुत ज्यादा स्पिरिचुअल एंड रिलीजियस हैं. 5 बार की नमाजी हैं एंड शी हैज मेड श्योर. 4 5 7 ओह माय गॉड. 5 तो मुझे पता था 7. एंड इनके बच्चे और मेरे बच्चे.
5 is first, 5 is obligatory, and 2 is like extra पटाने के लिए. So I'm like this one major भिखारी, and I'm forever asking, please God, please God.
But it's wonderful कि आज के day and age में you have made sure कि both your boys also learn about their religion and their culture, and they have done the entire reading of the book as what I have heard. Correct?
Yeah. Both my sons, Shiba. To be very honest, I feel any religion, I think it just binds us. It just, if you are a God-fearing person, so your conscience will never let you do anything wrong. Your conscience will always catch you, because I think every religion teaches you there's a guideline, there are boundaries in every religion that
नहीं, पर वर्दा कितना मुश्किल है आजकल. हमारे बच्चे स्कूल जाते हैं, उनके फ्रेंड्स हैं ये वो, बट फिर भी यू मैनेज्ड कि मैं उनको कल्चर में भी सीट रखूं कि देयर आर सर्टेन थिंग्स जो करने हैं वो करने हैं. सो एज अ मॉम, हाउ डू यू इनकलकेट दैट?
I don't really work hard on that. I just try to lead them by example. Because no matter how much I tell them, it'll all fall in all on deaf ears. अगर वो देखेंगे कि यार मम्मी तो कुछ भी कर रही है, तो why is she making us do stuff that she doesn't do? So I always try to lead by examples with them. So whatever I want them to do, like my Subhan recently did, he saw कहीं flood आया था. These things are not said, but I'm just sharing it because लोग सीखते हैं इस चीज से. तो कहीं flood अभी recently मुंबई में इतना बुरा flood आया था, and because Sajid is, he's got that heart for people. His heart really beats for people.
He is.
Subhan learned that, यार. Shiba, उसको कहीं से कोई forward आया, and he was like, Dad, I want to do something. He had tears in his eyes. So he learned. Because that's what Sajid was doing.
वो देख रहे हैं माँ बाप इतना कर रहे हैं. हाँ, तो फिर उसका भी मन होता है कि मैं, you can't keep saying it to your kids. You have to do it in
Plus,
front of them.
it's very important for boys to know how to treat women.
Correct.
And
you're the only, you and mommy are the only women in the house. In a house full of men.
Yes, and plus, our book also teaches us how to treat women. So, rather than hearing it or gathering knowledge from outside, you read it, you understand it. So it was very, I felt it was very important for them to understand rather than mug it up or just read the language. I wanted them to know what it is saying because it is a message, right? So, yes, that's how. So it was very important.
You're following the IB principle of our school properly. कि पहले करके दिखाओ, पूरा एग्जाम्पल सेट करो, बाद में पढ़ लेना.
या बाद में पढ़ लेना. एंड पहले तुम समझो कि भैया तुमको करना क्या है. तुम तोते के जैसे
आपके बारे में एक और चीज भी मालूम है कि आप बहुत बड़ी एंथू कटलेट हैं. हर फेस्टिवल आप पूरे दिल और जान और दिमाग से चीयर्स से सैल्यूट. देखिए, हम दोनों फिटनेस एडिक्ट्स अपना पानी लेके हर जगह घूमते हैं. सो दैट इज आवर नंबर 1 टिप अगेन. हर मेरा फिटनेस फ्रेंड आपको आके बोलेगा पानी की बोतल साथ में लेके चलो.
Forever stay hydrated.
तो वर्दा के बारे में मुझे ये पता है कि क्रिसमस हो या ईद हो या दिवाली हो या खुद का बर्थडे हो, वो घर पे हर चीज ऐसे सजाती हैं जैसे, मतलब अगर आप क्रिसमस में उनके घर चले जाओ आपको लगेगा आप लंदन या अमेरिका आए हैं. बिकॉज everything is green and red and white and there's Christmas trees. She has so much enthusiasm for life and she's such a positive and spirited girl. And spirited girl में she stands a lot for women. I know that. So I am going to make her tell us the story about how she proposed to her husband.
अभी तो मेरे ख्याल से सबको बाय हार्ट हो गई होगी मेरी ये स्टोरी, बिकॉज मैंने इतनी बार रिपीट किया.
इतनी बार दोहराई है.
Diwali is also very we take it even on Diwali we have this हम लोग lights लगवा देते हैं पहले से ही, so we just need a reason to celebrate life.
But that's you're the driver. You keep that house festive and alive, and you know every festival with food gusto. Even in Christmas, you have all those gifts under the tree for the whole family.
Yes.
And Eid, of course, you do it एकदम अच्छे से. But आपके घर के candles and cushions भी festival को reflect करने लगते हैं. You know.
You are. How do you remember all this? I love you. You're my true friend.
I'm such a keeda, I'll tell you. And you and I go back such a long time because हमारे बच्चे छोटे जब से थे तब से स्कूल में and हम बेशक बहुत regularly ना मिले, but जब भी हम मिलते हैं we just pick up where we left off and we're as comfortable with each other as always.
Yes. And so dude, I've been your fan, bro. I mean, all your movies that I've seen. I mean, like when I first met you, I was like, oh, Sheba, woo woo. So I've been a big fan of your work, my Suryavanshi.
Oh,
all your movies.
That's so nice. That is so kind. So,
but listen, when did you decide to become an actor? You were apparently raised in Dubai, no? Sorry, I mean.
Correct. You're absolutely right with your homework. मैं दुबई से आई हूँ एंड आपको तो पता है कि दत्त साहब ने मुझे इंट्रोड्यूस किया. दत्त साहब being Sanju's dad, not Sanju. Sanju is Baba for us and that was Dutt Saab for us.
Dutt Saab.
So Dutt Saab ne
Hi Bhushan. Sorry, I had to take that.
We have friends. Hello friends.
Sorry Sheep. Dutt Saab ने आपको कैसे spot किया?
दत्त साहब ने मेरे को किसी एयरलाइन में जब मैं बहुत छोटी थी, मैं दुबई में मॉडलिंग किया करती थी फॉर एज अ शौकिया 14-15 की थी, साड़ियों वाड़ियों की एड करती थी यू नो. तो उन्होंने किसी इन फ्लाइट मैगजीन में मेरी फोटो देखी एंड ही सेड ये मेरे पास एक स्क्रिप्ट पड़ी है. आफ्टर दर्द का रिश्ता उन्होंने पिक्चर नहीं बनाई थी, उनको ये डाउरी डेथ पे पिक्चर बनानी थी. तो उनको वो पर्टिकुलर कैरेक्टर नहीं मिल रहा था कि वो लड़की जो डाउरी डेथ के लिए शी विल डाई in the movie because he wanted that innocence and that youth and everything. So he saw me and he tracked me down and he said तुम आओ ये पिक्चर करो और फिर तुम पढ़ने चले जाना. I was like all of 16 and I was like okay ठीक है and my dad was like no. I said just one movie करके वापस पढ़ने चली जाऊंगी and of course that ever happened. So that never happened and then the journey continued from there. So that's how I became an actress all the way from Dubai to Mumbai. But they continue to be a family after my heart because Dutt Saab taught me pretty much everything there is about the line. And along the line I've met such wonderful people in this line. Lots of friends, lots of family ke rishte, my own husband. So yeah, the line has been good.
How come he's so quiet now?
Thank God because मैं 3-4 दिन से live करती हूँ रोज and he's talking on the top of his lungs constantly. वो किसी live पे होते हैं, किसी news channel पे होते हैं and I'm like बचाओ मुझे बचाओ. हम दोनों का nature एकदम बहुत opposite है. मैं अपने योगा में and ध्यान में and साधना में और मस्ती में लगी रहती हूँ, वो अपने debates में लगे रहते हैं. So we are like two sides of the coin, flip.
आपने भी ना मेडिटेशन का नाम दिया शीबा. It is so important, yeah, bro. So I did this 3 days course. One of my friends made me do it with Shri Ravi Shankar Gurudev ke sath. And you know, because it really helps, meditation. It just takes you to another world. You know, because I am very, you know me, I'm very restless by nature. Like I'm like a popcorn, forever popping around. So
yes,
and my mind is also forever working overtime.
But you know, I must tell you, you work out a lot. We're going to speak about that shortly. But I must.
Hi, Azu. Azan was saying hi.
Hi. I must recommend that you definitely use 10% of your workout time as your sadhana time. So, मतलब अगर आपने 1.5 घंटा workout किया है, तो at least 13 minutes out of that, sit down and just let go.
No, bro, I'm doing half an hour.
half an hour तो मतलब is mind blowing if you're managing to do that every single day. But I say कि मैं हमारे साथ जो हमारे दोस्त and हमारे fitness enthusiasts and people who know how much you and I are into fitness, that is a definite tip कि आप जितना टाइम अपने वर्कआउट को देते हैं उसका एटलीस्ट 10% अपनी साधना को दीजिए. साधना इन द सेंस आप शवासन में चले जाइए, मेडिटेशन में जाइए, बट अपने दिमाग को स्थिर करिए. बिकॉज आज के जमाने में your mind is so harrowed. Now you have to now that we're touching on fitness, you have to tell me about this self defense techniques जो आप लड़कियों को, ladies को बहुत promote भी कर रही हैं और सिखा भी रही हैं. And tell me the reason why you started it and give us a tip.
I have always loved, though I am not a very violent person by nature, but boxing has always been my love. MMA and kickboxing has always been
That's
my love.
Because of the excess energy you have, I think.
Yeah. So then I used to just follow these YouTube videos, or your trainers know the basic punching and all that. So I was doing it with the regular trainers. Then suddenly I came across one of these coaches through via someone, and so they were into MMA. तो मुझे लगा यार अब तो मुझे ये करना ही है. पहले मैंने शिफू जी को पकड़ा, but शिफू जी focuses mostly on Saban, so I couldn't really get much with him. So then ये coach थे and Predominant Fitness. तो yeah, they're into MMA, and बस क्या था, मैं जुड़ गई. And then while I was learning it, every second day you'd read 13-year girl के साथ ऐसे, तो उसके साथ वैसे, तो इसके साथ ऐसे. तो मेरे दिल में हमेशा एक बात आती थी कि and social media is it's a very, very good weapon also. It's a very good medium to reach out to people. There are teenagers, there are children, there are brothers, there are men who watch. So I just wanted to teach girls in a very funny, and जो मैं सीख रही थी, मैं खुद भी एक्सपर्ट नहीं थी, मैं खुद भी सीख रही थी. तो सीखते सीखते मुझे ऐसे लगा कि हर वो चीज जो आप शेयर करते हो वो आपकी मल्टीप्लाई होती है. तो I wanted to be an expert in what I was doing. So I thought the best way to become an expert was to teach, because आप जो आगे बढ़ाओगे उस चीज में आपकी बरकत आएगी. So and I just basically wanted girls to be safe. मैं तो I would urge every school, every government school कि एक हमारा जैसे हमको PE होता है, एक सेल्फ डिफेंस का
नहीं. And you and I, हम दोनों के दो लड़के हैं. We don't have a daughter, but even boys should know self defense, and girls too. It's not necessarily कि हम अपने आप को weaker sex क्यों बोले. Self defense technique is something that everybody should know. It's a need to know, and it's a need of the hour today.
Need of the hour.
Yeah. So, is there a particular tip? My little blind dog is going to drop my table. Is there a particular tip that you can give us right now, or demo of any one technique that you think will you can do better? I know there's not any one thing we can show. देखिए अगर तुम मुझे बोलोगी कि एक कुछ योगा का बताओ, एक थोड़ी होता है यार.
नहीं होता है. But एक चीज मैं बताना चाहूंगी. Usually क्या होता है ना, see like meditation, ये सारी चीजें comes down to one thing: living in the moment, which is so important. God forbid, खुदा ना खास्ता, if you're stuck in a situation, the first thing that we lose is our head. You know what I mean?
Right.
So the main thing is, God forbid, if you are caught up in a situation, don't lose your head. Be more alert that particular time. तो लड़का हो लड़की हो, पहले तो आप अलर्ट हो जाओ, शार्प हो जाओ. जस्ट नो कि मुझे इस सिचुएशन से निकलना. आप घबराओगे, पहले चू चू करोगे, दैट्स नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क. Self defense is not about breaking bones, basically. Self defense is, आप like अगर आपको ऐसे किसी ने पीछे पकड़ा है, पीछे से अगर आपको किसी ने पकड़ा है, आप खाली कुछ नहीं करना है आपको. आप ना उसको पीट सकते हो. अगर सामने वाला आपसे ज्यादा लंबा है, चौड़ा है, आप क्या कर लोगे? आपने क्या करना है, सिर्फ उंगलियां लेके उसकी आंख में घुसेड़नी है.
Think with your mind.
Think with your mind. ये
Yeah.
बेसिक टेक्निक्स होती है। आंख में जोर से घुसा दो, सभी की वी ऑल ग्रो ऑन नेल्स दीस डेज, आंख में घुसा दो। कान बहुत सॉफ्ट होता है, ये लेके धन से कान पे मार दो, यू नो, बिकॉज यू लूज योर, करेक्ट, वो इतनी तो लड़की स्ट्रांग होती है कि लाफा दे सकती है कान पे, तो दोनों कान पे धन से मार दो, छूटो, भागो। So the
मैंने तो
main
कहीं
thing
दे दिया तो आदमी का सिर ही फिर जाएगा।
yeah
क्योंकि ना मैं आधे टाइम तो अपने हाथों पे खड़ी रहती हूँ, तो फिर
bro,
माशाल्लाह ये तो
your core strength, she's touch wood. I don't know how you do it. I'm such a huge fan of your workout.
Same
What
to
all
you.
you do, yeah, bro? No, I'm
सेम
hardly
टू यू
as
यार।
no, I'm
तुम भी
hardly
हो,
as strong as you are.
बिकॉज हम दोनों अलग फिटनेस के चैनल्स में घुसे हुए हैं। मैं अलग मसल्स एंड अलग चीजें यूज कर रही हूँ,
Core
आप अलग
muscles.
कर रही हैं।
Yeah.
आपकी कार्डियो स्ट्रेंथ बहुत हाईली एक्टिवेटेड है, आपकी इम्पल्सिस रिएक्शंस बहुत फास्ट होंगी, because you're working on those impulses, boxing is
Yes.
all about,
Yeah.
doing this, so
Ducking,
that
yeah.
ducking and getting out of the way. So
Yeah.
so I imagine agar you and me combine our techniques, oh my god, what
Let's
are we
do
going to
that.
come up with?
No, let's
Yes.
do that. Let's do that. This is a brilliant idea. हम ना ये लॉकडाउन खत्म होता है तो एक वो बनाते हैं something.
हाँ, एक amalgamation of different styles of working out and how we can make one all-rounded workout for people, which
Mind, body,
यहाँ से
soul.
लेके नीचे तक. Yes.
Mind, body, soul. Because even yoga is all about mind, body, and soul. क्या बोलते हैं?
Connection. It's a union. It's a union. It's a connection.
Teamwork
Yoga
makes
means
the dream work.
union.
Okay, Wyson is a coach in London. He trains superheroes. Hollywood
Hey,
superheroes, bro.
I want to be a superhero.
Oh, you're talking to one, Shapes.
Oh, yeah.
I swear to God, in my mind, I always think I think, yeah, I believe I'm a superhero.
Okay, you have to tell me. I'm going to ask you to describe yourself to me in 3 words.
Aja, hi. Sorry, in between, can I say hello? Because I see a lot.
Yeah, of course, you must say hello.
Hi,
I am not
Sumi.
able to
Hi,
say hello because I
Raja.
can't see names. Hi, everybody. And I know all my Paltan is also here. So, hi, I love you all. Thank you.
There are a lot
Thank you every day for logging on and being there for me, my Insta fam. I love you.
We love you too, Sheeps. Because I'm one of your Insta fam too. So,
Okay.
Guncha. So you were asking me, sorry,
To describe yourself in 3 words. Don't overthink it.
Okay. John, Johnny, Janardhan, tararam, pam, 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 pam.
So
like you
completely-
introduced me. Who yaro ka mein yaar,
That I
dushmanon ka dushman, dekh dhanadan. No, I am not so bad, but I do have my weaknesses.
But actually ना ये गाना तुमको बहुत अच्छा डिस्क्राइब करता है. Actually it's bang on. बहुत परफेक्ट. तुम यारों के यार हो और दुश्मनों के दुश्मन. सही है,
No.
सही है. इससे ऐप डिस्क्रिप्शन नहीं हो सकती. मुझे सही लगी.
No, but yeah, I just love to say that I'm one. Yes, like you always call me space cadet. कि कहाँ तू गुम हो जाती है, फिर suddenly तू दुनिया में प्रकट होती है. Yes,
Yeah.
that is me. And then, but I have worked on myself a lot. अभी मेरी energies भी मैंने soft किया है. अभी मैं I'm just a little girl who wants to live each second of her life. मुझे कुछ नहीं देखना है कि क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा है. जो चीज मेरे काबू में नहीं है, जो चीज मेरे कंट्रोल में नहीं है, आई डोंट वेस्ट माई टाइम और ब्रेथ कि क्या करूँ कैसे करूँ. नो, व्हाट इज इन माई कंट्रोल. मेरे कंट्रोल में जो है कि मैं खुश रह सकती हूँ कि मैं मेरे घर में क्या हो रहा है, आई कैन टेक केयर ऑफ दैट. माई चिल्ड्रन, माई हस्बैंड, मेरे किचन में क्या पकना है, मेरी वर्कआउट मुझे क्या करनी है. अब तो
किचन के ध्यान ये भी आए कि इवन ऑल योर स्टाफ absolutely loves you because
They love me.
Yeah, you take care of them like सारे बच्चे हैं. The entire staff from A to Z is like Bhabhi is like mother figure to us.
They're actually my brothers now. They call me Bhabhi,
Yeah.
but they're my brothers. इस राखी पे every year राखी पे मैं अपने स्टाफ को राखी बांधती हूँ. एंड कितनी कमी नहीं हूँ मैं ना उनसे 50 रुपए, चल पैसे तो दे दो, 50 रुपए 100 रुपए भी हड़चती हूँ.
You're the cutest.
but yes, they're my brothers. And इस साल कुछ नए भाई भी बने मेरे because they couldn't go and वो हमारे साथ ही रह रहे हैं तो yeah. Shetty
That's
Priyanka,
good.
what did she ask? Something for Shetty Priyanka asked something, some secret about my something.
Secret
Sorry.
about what? What
I
secrets
don't
are we
know.
giving
I
out
just
here?
said Shetty Priyanka say secret about something.
Ask
So
again.
yes, I am just an happy person. I just want to stay happy. I just want to stay away from everything that is toxic. And जो मुझे दिखता भी नहीं है ना, once you shut your eyes to everything that is not good for your
Negativity.
system, वो
Yeah.
आपके पास आती नहीं है.
Correct.
So,
I agree. I'm a big believer in the same principle.
chi, right? Energies, yeah.
Energies and in fact मेरे घर में बोलते हैं कि मतलब अगर कुछ ऐसा नेगेटिव सा कहीं हो तो मैं वहां से गायब हो जाती हूँ. मुझे ना सुनना होता है ना बोलना होता है. कोई झगड़ा भी करता है कि my husband says कि you just bury your head in the sand. तुमको कुछ
Yeah.
पता ही नहीं करना है. वो जो एक होती है ना ऑस्ट्रिच दो सैंड में अपना सिर घुसा देती है आगे से जब खतरा दिखती है.
Bro, that's me. That's me too. I
Yes.
just choose to.
I choose to be non-confrontational. I just don't want to confront people. I don't want to get into that mad space.
शीबा अभी कोविड अगर हमको नहीं सिखा पाया तो क्या चीज सिखा पाएगी कि भैया आपके कंट्रोल में कुछ नहीं है. आप जगह पे कभी भी जगह पे नहीं हो सकते हो. यू डोंट नो व्हाट्स हैपनिंग नेक्स्ट मोमेंट. तो ऐसी जिंदगी जिए ना यार कि कल 4 लोग रोए तो.
करेक्ट.
या थूके ना आप पे.
तो चार से मुझे आप बताइए कि who are the 5 people in your life other than family who you spend the maximum amount of time with? Not family, not counting Sajid and Sufyan and Subhan. No.
That's a very difficult question.
You end up spending the most amount of time with those 5 people other than family.
Other than family,
Could be your best friend.
I love spending my maximum time with Jackie because she's one laughing Buddha I totally relate with her vibes and her energy. So yes, it's her and Jackie, and I would love to spend even more time with Aisha because she's another fitness freak. Aisha Shroff, Tiger's mom.
Absolutely. I've seen her at the gym when I used to
Oh my
go
God.
to a gym.
So her and she, because she's also a very giving person, you know, she'll always give you the right advice, the right stuff that you should take for, you know, to enhance your workout. Or so yeah, she's on the same.
Okay, let's pause over here. Right stuff. So, do you believe in taking a lot of supplements and stuff for working out? Can you tell us a little about that?
Stuff as in see like
what can we take to enhance your workout or your energy or your strength? What do you do?
See, before my workout, I love beetroot juice because that gives you instant boost.
Okay.
And there's something called sports elixir जो आप होल फूड से ही ला सकते हो. एंड मेरा सब पूरा माल खलास हो गया है एंड अभी आ भी नहीं सकता है. I know. So that gives me boost. Then
So what is that sports elixir? Is like a BCAA type of thing?
No, it is it's in powder form.
Yeah, powder. तो जैसे BCAA
नहीं, उसमें कुछ different stuff है like ashwagandha, like our ashwagandha. So I'm now glued to ashwagandha. And
yeah, me too.
It is lovely, right? It
yes.
gives you good boost. So in my beetroot juice, we add. Jipal, हम क्या क्या add करते हैं? Ashwagandha उसमें, moringa powder है.
Correct.
And
that gives you your greens. So you're having your greens, you're having your reds.
Yeah.
So
and
that
ये तो अपने nature's what is this?
Online मिल जाता है, सब कुछ online ही मिल जाता है.
No, अपना linking road पे food hall. Food hall has it. So yes, ashwagandha they have.
So you have like a clean juice before you start working out. Doesn't it start coming up when you start jumping?
No, yes, I absolutely work out on empty stomach. So 2 घंटा पहले मैं कुछ नहीं करती हूँ because to vent out my energy. I do most of the jumping exercises. I love plyometrics and
HIIT.
So unlike I don't seem like a yoga person, but I definitely do yoga with my dick chick music, but I do yoga.
But मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आप हो योगा पर्सन because आपकी एनर्जी बहुत पॉजिटिव है. you seem, and you attract a lot of good energies as well. So I think somewhere spiritually, uh, at some point in life you will get very very attracted to yoga. And trust me, जब मैंने योगा स्टार्ट किया, मैंने अंडर ड्यूरेस स्टार्ट किया. मेरी फ्रेंड 2 साल से मुझे बोलती रही कि तुम एक बार योगा करने चलो ना, एक बार योगा करने चलो. आई एम लाइक, छी, कौन ऐसे ई करके वर्कआउट करेगा, ये क्या स्पीड है वर्कआउट की. You know, I used to think कि yoga is only about सूर्य नमस्कार जो स्लो स्लो हटा में करते हैं.
Oh no.
Like I said, like यार इसमें तो मैं पागल हो जाऊंगी, ये वर्कआउट नहीं होता. I need to sweat, I need to get red in the face. And believe you me, when I discovered yoga, as you know, I discovered it with a vengeance. And now within the first 10 minutes, I am red like a tomato and I'm dripping sweat, because now I know how to use yoga the way I want it.
Like,
आज मुझे अपना कोर वर्कआउट करना है योगा से, तो मुझे पता है वो कोर कितना ज्यादा दुखने लगता है सिर्फ योगा से.
सिर्फ योगा से यार.
या आर्म्स अगर मेरे को स्ट्रेंथन करनी है, इफ यू चेक आउट माय आर्म्स, आई हैव लाइक cuts which are only thanks to yoga. I don't do anything else, you know. Yeah, so yoga then gave me everything, because I started delving into the roots of yoga. So I said, ये जो 4 चैनल्स पे मुझे योगा दिख रहा है, वो योगा नहीं हो सकता. Then I started discovering what real yoga is, and it gave me a lot.
And release भी हो जाती है यार body योगा के बाद, you know, because it's about, yoga is all about those teeny mini nerves that we have in our body ना, जो एकदम.
And also वर्दा, जब हम एज करते हैं, हमारी मोबिलिटी एंड फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी कम होने लगती है.
एज कौन कर रहा है भाई? हम 18
मैं नहीं कर रही, जो कर रहे हैं उनके बारे में
बोल. जो कर रहे हैं
जो कर रहे हैं
जाए 80 आराम लाओ nuts.
भाई मैं तो जमीन पे बैठ के खड़ी हो सकती हूँ एक टांग उठा के, तो मैं
हाँ यार, you have to teach me bro, seriously. You are going to be my sheep's guru Maiya. I'm going to chase you. You watch, after this everything is okay, God willing, soon I'm going to chase you bro.
लेकिन क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगेन, सो आई एम कमिंग बैक टू दैट, कि आप कार्डियो करते हो, भागते हो, मारते हो, पीटते हो, बट द एंड ऑफ द डे every person needs to work on that mobility and flexibility of their hips. That's what, you know, even छोटे छोटे बच्चे, मेरे खुद के बच्चे, they're not flexible, because सारा कर लेंगे, weights कर लेंगे, push-ups कर लेंगे, pull-ups कर लेंगे, but जैसे I'll tell them flip over उत्तरासन में जाओ, they're not able to. या मैं बोलूंगी legs cross करके चौकड़ी में बैठ जाओ, again their knees will not touch down. तो I think ये आजकल आप देखते हो मेरे चैनल पे मैं बहुत सारे मोबिलिटी ड्रिल्स डालती हूँ. जेन्युइन ड्रिल्स दैट आई नीड पीपल टू डू. जेन्युइनली आपकी मोबिलिटी एंड फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी में ये ड्रिल्स से बहुत ज्यादा फर्क आएगा.
But no, like you were saying, I'm sorry I cut you off. Like, but yes, as you age, the yoga exercises really help you, because आपको agility अब चाहिए होगी लाइफ में आगे जाके. अभी भी नहीं तो आगे जाके ये agility
चाहिए. Yes. Actually, हर एज में चाहिए. Your boys, both of them, along with their gymnastic training, I'm sure उनके सर उनको बहुत सारी flexibility.
शिपू जी उनको कराते हैं. शिपू जी is also a very, he's very agile.
He's a gymnast, right?
हाँ?
He's a gymnast, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so gymnast का काम होता है हमारी.
They do mixed martial arts and gymnastics.
Flips and tumbles and walkovers and.
No, they don't. Shipuji doesn't believe in weights himself. Even
no.
He's like.
I'm saying flips वगैरह करते हैं.
Flips वगैरह, yeah. Yes.
I've seen you. आप भी तो सीखते हो उनसे.
Yes.
In your gym.
At Fly Zone Fitness. I love it.
और अब आप मेरे पास आके सीखने वाले हो.
Yes, Guru Maiya, please मुझे अपनी शरण में ले लो. Make me do all the stuff that you do.
Okay, so now the fun quiz part. We're coming to the fun quiz question. Quick answers.
Yes.
What's worse, doing laundry or doing dishes?
I hate laundry. I love, you know, when you say doing dishes, it doesn't really sound very nice.
Bartan
manjna. Bartan manjna sounds cool. I love bartan manjna. I think that will be more interesting than. I hate doing laundry.
So then I think the second question you'll answer it the same way. Would you rather cook a meal or clean up after cooking?
Clean up after cooking. I can't cook to save my life. Even though मुझे कुछ dishes आती हैं, like कुछ dishes मैं बहुत अच्छी. I mean by look I'm a very good cook. लेकिन आप मुझे पूछोगे बाद में डाला क्या? So I'll never.
They were so similar in so many things. Okay, I can't repeat a recipe because I'm just going dhadam, 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 dhadam.
और बहुत टेस्टी बनता है, और
हाँ,
बहुत
बहुत
टेस्टी
अच्छा
बनता
बनता है.
है. But
Okay, so international vacation or a new high-end bag? If you had to pick only one, I know you don't have to, but you have to pick one.
Wake,
Vacay
any
means
day.
chocolate or vanilla?
Talk.
Chocolate or vanilla?
I love chocolates. Dark chocolate.
Perfect skin or perfect hair?
परफेक्ट स्किन नो, बाल तो टोपी में छुप जाएंगे, बंजारा में छुप जाएंगे,
नहीं, मेरे
इस
बाल
पंखे
ठीक
से
है.
छुपे हुए.
Comedy or drama?
Comedy, any day.
Hot or cold?
I cannot have anything hot. I like room temperature. Anything, chai, wine, everything.
Would you rather lose your sense of smell or lose your sense of taste?
Bro, ये क्यों बोल रहे हो? नहीं, नहीं.
It's
कुछ
it's
नहीं.
fun. It's in fun. Don't use your mind too much.
Smell.
है ना?
I love my sense of smell. Taste.
And then you will want to lose your sense of taste. Smell चाहिए.
Smell चाहिए मुझे. Yeah. मुझे I am a freak that way. Like in between I couldn't have coffee क्योंकि मैं बहुत पी ली थी. I had totally fried my adrenal gland. So I used to sniff it, and I used to feel so satisfied. You know, कई बार आप खाना ज़्यादा सूंघ लो ना, like you know, kitchen में if you're prepping up for something, see आपको भूख नहीं लगती है.
आपको वैसे भूख नहीं लगती, आप ज़्यादा मत बोलो. आप वैसे ही खाना सूंघ के जिंदा रहते हो. I know that. I know how much you eat. Like a small little bird.
I trust you, me. I pig out.
And you are probably one of the only persons who said rather lose taste, because that's how unimportant food is to you. Most people say smell जाने दो, taste तो होना चाहिए मुंह में यार.
Smell. मेरे लिए smell ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है.
So you are very different from the regular people. A cat or dog? A cat person or dog person?
Cat person. Khali Ginger's mommy.
कितने हैं आपके पास cats?
दो.
Tea or coffee?
Coffee.
Salty or sweet?
Salty or sweet? Salty. I love
Savory foods.
I'm not a very sweet person.
Tell me what is your most favorite item of clothing in your closet?
I'm very fond of night suits.
So just like PJs? Comfortable tracks and tees, or just your satin night suits?
But it'll sound very funny if I told you that PJ के साथ मुझे boots पहनना बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
You are full Cartoon Network. मुझे मैंने वो Instagram post देखा था जिसमें full PPE gear पहन के with the sanitizing gun you're going. I'm like, this girl is completely flaky. I have to ask you, तुम्हारी ये ideas कहाँ से आती है? ये जो अतरंगी videos बना के, पहले तो TikTok होता था तब post होते थे
किसी ज़माने में
तरीके के, और अब इंस्टा पे पोस्ट होती है. ये आइडिया कहाँ से लाती हैं आप, मुझे समझाएंगी?
तो मुझे ये पीपी के टिकट मिला because my staff usually नीचे जाता है सामान लाने के लिए and all that. So साजिद उनकी लाइफ भी बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है, तो ये आया था. तो जब ये आया था तो मैंने बोला था मुझे भी चाहिए, मेरे लिए भी मंगा लेना. तो when I saw that, it was so interesting, bro. And फिर वो AC वैसी क्लीनिंग के लिए आते हैं तो ये सब पहन के आते हैं. Then my house guy goes.
नहीं, not this particular video. You make a lot of fun videos. Your Instagram feed is full of really fun stuff.
Mad stuff.
You're just dancing, or you're going nuts, or you're going mad and flaky, and you're doing all these upside down things. And even now for Jackie's birthday video, you had one video of you and her going like mental.
Yes. गणपति में डांस करते वैसे ना.
But that kind of dance I've done with you, so I kind of get that, because when we go mad, then we go like fully mad.
Yeah.
No, but the creative ideas for your videos, पहले TikTok में तो चलो idea TikTok में ही मिल जाते थे, अब कैसे मिलते हैं?
ये खाली आ जाते हैं यार.
And also your husband is extremely supportive ना, कभी कभार to one of your videos, so in fact he shot it himself, right?
No, Sajid, luckily for me, he's not on Instagram. He's not on any of the social platforms. मैं बहुत बची हुई हूँ, वो है नहीं, बिकॉज उनको कभी कभी, लेकिन कभी कभी ना फ्यू ऑफ उस खबरी फ्रेंड्स जब बोल देते ना, तो या आई एम क्वाइट अ रिबेल यहाँ पे व्हेन इट कम्स टू माय इंस्टाग्राम, बट या ही इज वेरी सपोर्टिव ऑफ मी, ही इज लाइक, he doesn't stop me from living. That's what he loves about me. But
And because
these
also
days,
you balance very well, na? You're the perfect mother and daughter-in-law
yeah,
and housewife, so he can't really object much.
just these days we have like difference. थोड़ा साजिद को ऐसा लगता है कि you know times बहुत sensitive है, buds, तो you should not be putting these videos because friends जब भेज देते हैं, you know इतना पेन है बाहर, तो मुझे लगी he's like नहीं करो, तो and I'm like इतना पेन है, इतना दुख है, अगर एक इंसान भी आपका वीडियो देख के खुश हो रहा है ना, हंस रहा है, उसकी शक्ल पे मुस्कुराहट आई, तो क्यों नहीं। तो इफ यू सी कि आजकल मेरे पोस्ट बहुत कम हो गए हैं बिकॉज बहुत छुप छुपा के डालना पड़ता है, ही इज नॉट वेरी हैप्पी विद मी posting. See, NG, he's not allowing our official handle to post anything at all. कुछ नहीं डालने दे रहे।
But let's hope that times are changing and better times will come. Of course, we are still in lockdown. Most of us are still being sensible and careful and
Yeah.
doing what needs to be done. But
Yeah.
how are you managing with the online schooling, bro?
Sheba, oh my God, how are you managing it? I tell you, एक तो ना सुबह सुबह उठना has always been
A thing with all of us, yeah.
तो and now poor guy, हम सब सोते हैं सुफियान बेचारा उठ के कर रहा है, you know, I just feel I love my school. I have nothing against it all, but मेरी बस एक suggestion है to all the schools जो online school कर रहे हैं बच्चों के साथ, to take it little easy, because you know these kids are also, they used to their freedom, they used to going out, they used to going to the parks, they used to going to all those trampoline and trampoline stuff. They are holed up in the house 24/7.
They're
So
not
you
meeting
know
their friends.
they're not meeting their friends. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि you know they should be more empathetic with our children. It's a teamwork, right? Teachers, school, and parents. It's a teamwork. So they
Correct.
should be a little more empathetic and not lay strict rules like submit your tasks, submit your homeworks. They should take it more easy because you know some of the children are little rock starish. They may not be as studious and as responsible as others. So some children are like their mothers. So I think such children, but teachers should just take it very little.
Maybe you and me are saying this. There are a lot of parents who pressurize the school a lot. कि no, school is on तो काम दो and camera on होना चाहिए and audio on होना चाहिए. हमारे बच्चे बहुत सारे क्या कर रहे हैं?
Camera
videos
बंद
off कर देते हैं.
Yeah.
Because they're just goofing off and they're listening to whatever's going. You know?
Yeah.
So there's some parents who have come on our SPT and said, "Nahi, why don't you all force the kids to keep their camera and their video and audio and everything on?
Come on.
It's not the right thing." And but okay, more about that after we finish this live. Apparently, we are running out down.
But let the children live. You know, they are
Yes.
also taking a mental toll. उनकी mental health बहुत जरूरी है. I think they should be.
बहुत जरूरी.
उनको हंसते हंसते मस्ती करते करते काम कराओ rather than getting, because they can, it's very easy to get distracted.
It's a hard time
online,
for everyone. Not only हम मतलब when we are finding it so hard, imagine children को तो समझ ही नहीं आ रही कि वो क्या रहा है. Of course, उनकी adapting skills हमसे much better हैं. Kids adapt to situation way faster than grown-ups.
Yeah.
But having said that, you and I can chit chat. I think for another 24 hours. हमारे पास बहुत ज़्यादा content and material
24 hours per month.
हाँ, because हम लोग दोनों इतना ट कर सकते हैं.
Yep.
And I think we should save some of our chit chat for later.
Yeah.
Oh, quickly, beauty. What your favorite beauty thing? Anything? What a must have? A beauty must have. Do you have anything around you?
So I should have actually. I love products. I'm very fond of products. मुझे तो actually पूरा लेके इधर मुझे अपने dressing room में ही रखना चाहिए था. But मैं कुछ अपने products, but मैं कुछ अपने products लाई हूँ. Like I absolutely cannot live without BB cream. If you
BB
have to
cream?
go out, yeah.
Any BB cream?
I like Pommy Brown better.
Okay.
So and for my night outs, I love Chanticleer because I think this gives me best coverage. And for more glamorous look, mascara, I love Benefit. For just regular look, day look, lighter one. And
Mascara is your must have.
Must have. Absolutely. ये दो चीज मिल जाए तो lipstick is not really necessary. दो थप्पड़ अपने lips को मार दो, lips pink हो जाते हैं. Pinch your cheeks and.
So I
But
got my definite must have is my hair perfume.
oh
So
yes, my
ये
hair perfumes too, my hair mist.
तो
Yes.
ये खत्म होने से पहले नया वाला आ जाता है.
मेरा भी.
I'm just like obsessed with hair perfume
Chanel.
and vitamins for my skin. I will put vitamin A, I will put vitamin C, and then I will eat my vitamins. So
Yes.
I'm all about the vitamins.
Me too. I love vitamins for my skin. I like ta-da, History of Woo. So it's a Korean product and I absolutely cannot live without it.
Koreans do fabulous skincare.
Whoa, I love their skin products. Yes.
Having
Vitamins.
said that, a lot of our Ayurvedic and Dr. Reddy's products and all are amazing for our skin. We will speak more about that on a private chat.
All right, bro. Waiting for your.
For now, I must say thank you so much, Wadzi, for joining. Did you just fall on your face?
मैं बहुत गिरी पड़ी औरत हूँ. Okay, I don't.
This girl is a riot,
बहुत
and it
गिरती
was an
रहती हूँ.
absolute pleasure having her.
Same, likewise. Thanks for
Luckily,
having me, bro.
after the initial glitch, we were absolutely okay and free flowing. And thank you, and I love you, and I love you all, Insta family, for joining us.
Yes,
And
thank
stay
you.
tuned, and love you all.
Love you, sheeps. Thanks for having
Love
me.
you, Arda. Bye.